Hi everyone, we look forward to having all of you in this digital event of Cube 2022. We've named it Cube Heal, and we sincerely hope that most of us would have healed by now, aftermath of COVID-19. Cube has had very humble beginnings way back about 4.5, 5 years ago when we started with the first Cube, and over the years it has developed very interestingly into a fantastic hematology analyzer science program where people participate and share their experiences on the science and art of hematology analyzers. We look forward to all of you participating in this event, if not physically, at least digitally, and that's why it's a digital event with both physical and digital possibilities. Interacting with the faculty there, we have some of the best faculty in the arena of hematology analyzers, and we look forward to your active participation. Looking forward, and thank you very much.